In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dreamy strobe effect to your videos using CapCut. This step-by-step guide will help you transform your footage into something truly mesmerizing, perfect for music videos, Instagram posts, or any creative project you have in mind. Let's dive right in and explore how easy it is to achieve this effect. First things first, you need to open CapCut and load your main clip onto the timeline. The timeline is the workspace where you will be editing your video, allowing you to see your footage and make adjustments as needed. Simply drag your video clip from the media library down to the timeline area. This lays the foundation for all the effects and edits we'll be applying today. Next, let's move to the Effects tab. Here you'll find a variety of effects that you can use to enhance your video. What we're looking for right now is the strobe effect. This effect adds a rhythmic, flickering quality to your video, reminiscent of those classic concert visuals. Use the search bar within the Effects tab to find Strobe. It's a quick way to locate exactly what you're after, without scrolling through endless options. Once you have the strobe effect in your sights, click it and drag it onto the track that sits directly above your main video clip. Placing it on this separate layer enables you to control its impact without interfering with the original footage. Doing this gives you the flexibility to tweak the effect, while your original clip remains intact below. Now let's adjust the intensity and blur amount. This is where the magic happens, and you really get to shape the vibe of your video. On the right-hand panel of the screen, you'll see sliders for these two adjustments. Increasing the intensity makes the strobe effect more pronounced and vivid, while adjusting the blur can soften the edges, adding a dreamlike quality to your footage. Play around with these settings until you achieve a look that fits your creative vision. To add a final layer of dreaminess, consider incorporating some light leaks or white glow overlays. These can be found either within CapCut or sourced externally. Adding such overlays can give your video a gentle, ethereal quality, much like sunlight gently filtering through a window. Layer them onto your timeline as you did with the strobe effect, and adjust their opacity to subtly blend them with your footage. And there you have it, a dreamy, professional-looking strobe effect on your video, all done with CapCut. I hope this guide has been helpful and inspires you to get creative with your edits. Remember, video editing is an art form, and your imagination is the only limit. Thanks for watching and have fun creating.